Good evening. This is a color-coded system. The Storm Prediction Center says we are at a level 3 on a scale of 1 to 5, enhanced severe storm risk for the entire viewing area. Now, in addition to that, we are under a tornado watch for Christian County and the city of Taylorville. That is until 11 p.m. tonight. We started the day with dense fog at midday, then that turned into rain. We've had a very busy day. Our rain totals currently 16/100ths of an inch at Terre Haute, more than 1/10 of an inch at Danville. Everybody has experienced some precipitation already today, and you see the system is working its way through our area. This is a potentially dangerous system. There is a tornado watch area just south of us, and then, of course, as we just mentioned, tornado watch until 11 p.m. for Christian County. Currently, the area is working through some very scattered rain activity. Our conditions right now, 60 in Charleston, 61 and cloudy in Effingham, the same in Taylorville. Conditions don't vary much. The speeds of the wind from the south at up to 20 miles an hour, keeping those temperatures rising. A wind advisory now after the storm activity is over from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow, a wind advisory, winds of up to 60 miles an hour for these counties, Macon, Piatt, Champaign, and Vermilion. There's much more to come, certainly. Wind gusts for tomorrow for everyone, including the entire viewing area. Winds of up to 40 miles an hour or so. We'll be watching that throughout the day on Saturday. That extends into the evening, not dying down at all until Sunday. Our storm threats like this. Damaging winds, that's the greatest concern. And by the way, the window of concern is from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. with the exception of those winds. Tornado activity possible, isolated tornadoes. That's something we'll be watching throughout the night. Stephen Elmore and myself cutting in where necessary. Also watch us on social media. Possibility of hail, and also a limited possibility of flooding in the area. Overnight tonight, scattered rain, possible storms, 41 degrees for the low. And let's look at FUTURECAST. This has changed from minute to minute lately. And look at this, at 8 p.m. tonight, we have all these isolated pockets of intensity, storm activity throughout our area. We'll be watching. 10 p.m. it seems to have cleared out, but there are more pockets of limited activity until about 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and then it's the winds that we'll be concerned about most. Now, your temperatures for tomorrow do a little bit of an up and down, 42 bookends from sunrise to sunset, but the temperatures will be dropping at midday into the 30s. Again, it's a very dynamic situation. Here's our jet stream. This is the situation that was setting up today. The trough of cold air coming down from the north, meeting up with the warm winds from the south. That puts us in our current situation. It will get better, though. Look at next week. We have a pocket of warm activity, a ridge coming up from the south, and that'll have us looking good for midday next week. Look at this high temperature, 67 on Wednesday. Now, we do have a possibility of some more rain coming your way on Thursday, but generally speaking, after we get through tomorrow, we will be in a much better situation. That's your 7-day outlook. That's your forecast. Gentlemen, back to the anchor desk now.